A new way to take care of your clothes. Just one touch to expand your washing horizons. Enter a world of smart performances. In just 3 steps, you can find the best washing cycle speaking with your washing machine.
Cocktail dress, silk shirt, lingerie, bikini. Colored. Normal.
The app suggests you the most suitable wash for your needs. Plan your washing. You can decide when you want your wash to start or to end. You can use countless additional programs. This wide choice range allows you a fitting solution for any of your washing needs. You can take care of your washing machine with easy and smart functions. The checkup function informs you about the conditions of your appliance. You can control all your most frequently used programs and learn how to optimize your washing habits. Candy Smart. Thanks to its innovative smart functions, it looks after you and your appliance.